What's up, folks? It's your boy Coach Todd back at you with another one. And in today's video, we have the single arm dumbbell row how to nail the form, get the most out of every single rep. Let's get straight to it. Here we go. All right, the first thing will be the setup. Now, of course, you're gonna take your offhand and place on a bench, a box, whatever you've got. From there, you've got the feet to consider. Now, I like going with a really wide staggered stance. You can also go with your feet right next to each other, but you run into a problem doing that because the dumbbell will start to smack against your leg. So I prefer to go here with that leg all the way back so I can keep my off leg out of the way. You want to get your upper body, your torso, as close to parallel with the ground as possible because that's going to extend the range of motion. The higher up you are on a row, the shorter the range of motion gets at the shoulder joint. We're trying to train the lats with this. So again, get as far tipped forward as you can so you can get a 90-degree angle between the upper arm and the torso. Up here, 45 degrees, here 90. Longer range of motion is always good. So now that we've got the rest of the setup done, time to start performing the reps. So make sure you maintain that position. Pull your elbows straight back toward the ceiling, and also make sure you fully extend the elbow. It's a very easy thing to do with the dumbbell row, which is bouncing and jerking the weight, especially when we start going too heavy on a single arm dumbbell row, which a lot of people like to do. Jerking, bouncing starts to happen. Like I've said before, we want to make the muscle, the working muscle, do the work and not momentum, not physics. So maintain your position, make sure you're not bouncing. Also, make sure you fully extend the elbow at the end of each rep. You can even let the weight pull your shoulder joint down. So, or not the shoulder joint, the shoulder blade down, so you can get a little bit of extra mid-trap work when you pull that shoulder blade back and initiate the rest of the row. And one more tip for you, I like to perform this exercise and several others, depending on the exercise, in front of a mirror facing sideways. This is a good one to look over into the mirror, make sure your back is flat, make sure you're maintaining that forward tipped position and that you're not starting to lean up too far as you're fatiguing. So perform this in front of a mirror facing sideways so you can consistently look over and check your form. And there's nothing wrong with checking your form in the mirror. That's what they're there for. You can also use them for flexing, but form checking is their primary use. That's it for today, folks. I hope that was helpful. Please check us out in your app store, whether Apple or Android, Muscle Wiki, all one word. We just rolled out our workout generator and our new analytics and tracking are now available. So go check that out. I'm Coach Todd with Muscle Wiki. I will see you with the next one. Deuces.